Okay na.
So good day everyone. This is our video presentation for our mood board. My name is Ronaldin Mansibang together with Miss Clyde Sumawang and Yuan Fernandez. So our mood board is a boutique hotel and it named Serene Sanctuary. Our choice of a boutique hotel, especially named the Serene Sanctuary, stems from a confluence of factor analyzing current market trends, unmet needs, and personal vision. So for floor layout, first floor we have the lobby and lounge, VIP and bar area, and the men's and women restrooms. For the second floor, we have the bedrooms like luxury, deluxe, and grand deluxe. So this is our location in Magallanes Road, Alfonso, Cavite. So for organizational chart, for the owner and manager, oversees all aspects of the hotel. For front desk and receptionist, handles check-in, check-out, and guest services and reservations. And for the housekeeping, maintains cleanliness or guest room and public areas may include laundry. Next.
So, for our mission to provide our guests with a unique and tranquil experience where comfort meets luxury, ensuring every stay is relaxing and memorable. Vision to be recognized as the leading boutique hotel in the area, known for our exceptional services, serene atmosphere, and dedication to sustainability. Goal to achieve a 90% guest satisfaction rate within the first year and to foster long term relationships with our repeat guests. Next, the lobby or lounge area. It's a cozy space where guests can relax and check in or wait comfortably. We have a comfortable chairs, a friendly staff, and a welcoming atmosphere to start your stay. Next, please. VIP area. It's a special space designed for our important guests. Here, guests can enjoy privacy, luxury, and exclusive service. It's the perfect place to unwind in a comfort and style. Next, bar is a fun spot to relax and socialize. We serve a variety of drinks and snacks. Whether you're here for a quick drink or a night out, our bar offers a friendly environment for everyone. Next.
Good day, everyone. My name is Charles Yon Fernandez, and today I'm excited to introduce a concept that combines functionally comfort and visual appeal of our aesthetic restroom design. Our vision is simple: transform ordinary restrooms into elevated, calming spaces that reflect modern design principles. This isn't just about looks, it is about creating an experience that cleans, inclusive, and thoughtfully designed. For both men's and women's restroom, we've used materials, soft ambient lighting, and muted and elegant color palettes. Think wood textures, matte black textures, and accent tiles that add character without overwhelming the space. Next, next one is the luxury. I'm thrilled to present our vision for the ultimate luxury stay, a space where refined design meets elevated comfort. Our design draws inspiration from boutique hospitality and modern residential trends. It is about more than just high-end finishes. It is about creating a personal sanctuary that feels elegant, warm, and timeless. Next, please. Next one, let me introduce to you our concept for the deluxe suite. A space that redefines comfort and elegance through thoughtful design. Our approach blends clean, modern aesthetic with subtle luxury. The goal is to create a space that feels both inviting and elevated, where every detail enhances the guest experience. Next slide, please. Next one is the Grand Deluxe Suite. Today, I'm proud to present our Grand Deluxe Suite, a masterclass in elevated comfort, refined aesthetics, and modern elegance. The Grand Deluxe Suite is designed for discerning guests who seek more than accommodation. They seek an experience. Our vision blends timeless luxury with contemporary design to create a space that is both grand and inviting. And that is all for our presentation. Thank you.
Oh, stop na.